Okay, in this video I will show you how to remove the spacebar from a membrane keyboard. So I'm using this tool right here to remove the surrounding keys, and then I'm going to remove the spacebar. So I'll show you how to do that. Just pry it open like this, put it in here, and then just rotate it a little bit and just pull out the keys. I got the Alt key out. I get the other Alt key out. Okay. I'm going to remove these keys. X. Make sure you have it aligned so you can put it back in order. So I'm going to align it over here, like straight. Okay, that's X. C. Just junk. It doesn't require a lot of force to take it out. Forgot to take the other Alt key out. Okay, now to remove the space bar. For this one, you just pull up on it and it just snaps right off. And this was what was retaining it right here, this thing. And to put it back, you just make sure it's in this orientation. You see how the clip is on the front? So if I put it this way, the clip would be on the back like this. That's incorrect. The correct way is this way. That's in the front. So what you do is you put it in like that, and you push it in. So make sure this is sticking out so it catches these clips right here. You see that? There's like a catch for this one, and there's another catch right there as well. You have to catch that or it's not going to go in correctly. So what you do is you get it like that again. A little bit hard to do on camera. It went in. I'll take it out again to just show you. Snap it out. Get it in, not all the way out like this, but just a little bit in like that. See that? That's how you get it in. If it's too far, like stretched out like this, it's not gonna catch. It's got to be like at an angle, a slight angle. Okay, now the space bar is in. And I'm gonna get the other keys in. To get the keys in, it's pretty simple. You just snap it in. So that's the Alt key. That's the other Alt key. And the reason why you want to do this once in a while is you want to clean. You want to clean between the keys. Like this part gets really dirty. I just cleaned mine. I just blew it out. But it's really dirty. Or you want to like wash the keys, you know, put it in some dish soap in a pan and use some dish soap to remove all the grime from it, you know. I'm just gonna put the keys in. I don't remember. I'm gonna take a look at my other keyboard and use that as a reference. Okay, so it's ZX X is right here. So the keys go in this way. See, this part is like at a bigger angle than that part. That part is almost like flat, like a 90 degrees angle, and this is like at a slight angle, at a steep angle, I'm sorry. So this is a X, and that's C. What's after the C? It's B, and after B, it's B. After B, it's N. And after N, it's M. Let me get the last key that blew out. Okay. The bracket key. That's it. That's how you get it in, and that's how you take out the space bar. Okay, thank you for watching.